Major surgeries. 1. Coronary artery bypass graft, CABG. 2. Open heart surgery. 3. Brain surgery, craniotomy. 4. Organ transplant surgeries, such as kidney, liver, and heart. 5. Lung surgery, thoracotomy. 6. Spinal surgery, spinal fusion. 7. Joint replacement surgeries, such as knee and hip replacement. 8. Gastric bypass surgery, bariatric surgery. 9. Pancreatic surgery, Whipple procedure. 10. Prostatectomy, removal of the prostate gland. Minor surgeries. 1. Appendectomy, appendix removal. 2. Gallbladder removal, cholecystectomy. 3. Hernia repair surgeries, such as inguinal and umbilical hernia repair. 4. Cataract surgery. 5. Tonsillectomy, tonsil removal. Circumcision. 7. Dilation and curettage, D&C. 8. Arthroscopy, keyhole surgery for joint examination and treatment. 9. Thyroidectomy, thyroid gland removal. 10. Biopsy procedures, such as breast biopsy or skin biopsy.